So today, let's talk about the link between scarcity, avoidance, and financial stress. And it's an emotional link, and we don't want to talk about it. But when cash is tight and there's more month than money, we're tending to look away. We want to do just this one thing before opening the bank app, before checking the supplier statements, before looking at the numbers. Why is that? It's because underneath it all, there's a feeling of scarcity. We fear that there's not enough money, not enough time, not enough energy. And when we're in this scarcity mindset, we don't see what we need to see. We get the confirmation of our figures, and we would rather avoid that. And you know what? Avoidance is not protection. It is actually paralysis. And the avoidance feeds the scarcity mindset. So what is happening? We're in the cycle of scarcity mindset and avoidance. Scarcity mindset and avoidance. And ironically, the thing that reduces the stress and restores our sense of control, it's that very thing we are avoiding. A clear financial picture. When you know your numbers, even if they're not where you want them to be, you regain a sense of control. You can make informed decisions. You can plan payments. You can negotiate. You can prioritize. And importantly, you can breathe. A client of mine recently said, I don't want to pay the last bit in my account, even though I knew more money is coming in tomorrow. And that is fear. It is fear that caused her to only pay the supplier shouting the loudest. The quiet ones, like Sash, get ignored. And those accounts are growing silently in the background. So here's what I want to say today. Clarity doesn't make scarcity worse. It helps you to move through it. Knowing what's due, what is earned, what's possible, put you in the driver's seat. You can't build a business on avoidance. You can't build business on a scarcity mindset. You can't fall into the trap of scarcity mindset and avoidance because we need to build businesses on awareness. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to have a willingness to look. If you like the content, please share it with others as well that can benefit from it. And if you've got a question that you want me to answer in the future, please leave it in the comments below.